How to easily send money from India to Canada. If you live in India and you want to send money through the Canada, how you can send it? For this, you will first need to understand that there is a lot of platforms or there is a lot of application by which you can transfer this amount from India to Canada. For this, what you need is you need a local Indian bank account from which you want to pay the money, and you need a recipient bank account details that are based in Canada. Now, if you have these two details, open your Safari browser and search for wise.com in front of you. You can use any other website too, but Wise will be the best, convenient, and safe for you. As you can see, international money transfers. Scroll down and you have to simply enter the amount you want to send. If you're transferring for the first time, you should choose Indian currency and enter the amount. Like if I want to send 50,000 to Canada, I will have to simply enter it. Now, in the recipient system, I have to click on the recipient country and I will select Canada out of there. Now, here you can see the amount that how much they will get when I send this. I will click on get started. After this, you have to log into Wise account and you can simply transfer it through your credit card, bank account, or bank account details and other options. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching.